contender, WBC, from Mexico, ladies and gentlemen, Gabriel El Toro Mirra. Right across the ring, fighting out of the red corner. Ladies and gentlemen, he weighed in at 111 3/4 pounds. From General Santos City, Philippines. He's 22 years old. He has a record of 25 wins, 1 loss, and 16 coming by way of knockout. From Korea Sable, ladies and gentlemen, the WBC flyweight champion, Manny Pacquiao.
Sandali po lamang yung mga paalala na ibibigay naman itong ating batikang referee Richard Steele. As you see, Mayor Jinggoy Estrada with his bosom buddy, of course, superstar Rudy Fernandez. Nadinig po ninyo ang pagpapakilala sa dalawa nating protagonists. At sabi nga na Kinito, yung electricity po dito sa Araneta Coliseum ay talagang nakayayanig at nakakahawa, Kinito, sapagkat ito po ang unang pagtatanggol ng ating world champion na si Manny Pacquiao ng kanyang corona bilang kampiyon ng World Boxing Council Flyweight Division na nakuha lamang niya noong nakaraang Disyembre 1998.
Mayor of Electricity is right, partner. At ito, sabik na tayong makapanood ng world title fight dito na naman sa Big Dome. It's been a long time. 1991 was the last time that a Filipino fought with a world title at stake dito po sa Araneta Coliseum.
Manny Pacquiao, the champion from the Philippines in black. Dito naman si Gabriel Mira ng Metepec, Mexico, ay nakapula. Kaliwete po yung ating batang si Manny Pacquiao. Overhead right there by Gabriel Mira.
Makita mo ito si Mira, the way he moves towards Manny Pacquiao's right. At alam niya, malakas ang kaliwa ni Manny Pacquiao. Mukha talagang pinag-aralan ni Mira ang estilo ni Manny. He's circling over to Manny Pacquiao's right because the dominant hand of Manny Pacquiao is the left.
Kasama rin po natin si Mr. Popoy Huico ng Unicrom. At Popoy, yung sa dami ng ating tao rito ay talaga namang successful itong pagdaraos. Mamaya natin mapapakinggan si Mr. Huico at naayos lang natin yung kanyang mikropono. At ito po sa gitna ng ring, medyo parang gigigil itong si Manny Pacquiao.
Partner, ito si Manny Pacquiao. Parang pinakita ni Gabriel Mira that he's going to stand up and fight this fight. And it's going to be the better man who's going to win and who's going to end up standing.
Ooh, good left by Manny Pacquiao to the face of Gabriel Mira.
At meron tayong nakita ng left uppercut na pumasok nito eh.
Ito ang hawak na ito si Gabriel Mira.
Negasyon. Pero ito si Mira, partner, he's not backing off. Napaka-agresibo rito.
Well, alam natin, siya ang challenger, so kailangan niyang maging mas agresibo. Pero Manny Pacquiao, alam naman natin ang style dito si Manny Kinito. He's not going to back down from a fight. At ito, ang isa lang objective din si Manny Pacquiao, patulugin yung kanyang kalaban.
Well, totoo yan, partner. Pero ito si Manny Pacquiao, dapat siguro magpakita din siyang konting pasyensya, no? Maybe use a little bit of the jab, Popoy.
One more time, feel his way around and throw his jab somewhere if he's at Benito.
Well, take a look at the style of Gabriel Mira. The way he's moving around, he's fighting from a distance. Palagay ko talagang ilag ito si Gabriel Mira sa mga tirada ni Manny Pacquiao. He's fighting from a distance, but he's connecting.
Yes, a good right by Gabriel Mira. Nasa first round na po tayo ng labang ito para sa kampyonato ng mundo sa flyweight division ng WBC. Tangan-tangan po ng ating kababayan ang ring sensation of Pilipinas, Manny Pacquiao in black, stalking Gabriel Mira.
And the way Mira moved away, kita mo, ginagamit niya yung ring. He wants to fight this from a distance.
Good right jab by Manny Pacquiao. At makikita mo, may lutong yung yung jab pa lamang ni Manny Pacquiao, malutong na eh. There's another one to end the round. A couple of right jabs by Manny Pacquiao. And the round number 1 scheduled for 12, the WBC Championship here at the Big Dome. We'll be back with more right after this.
Don't forget, ladies and gentlemen, after this
Mga kaibigan, ginaganap po itong kampiyonato between Manny Pacquiao, the champion, and the challenger Gabriel Mira of Mexico. That's a good left by Manny Pacquiao na napaatras si Gabriel Mira. Yan po si Manny Pacquiao ng Pilipinas.
Mamukha yata magaling mag-backtrack ito si Gabriel Mira, Popoy.
At saka, Juan, I think both fighters are just really taking their time now. Medyo hindi pa masyadong mabilis ang kilos. Pero as you said, mukhang si Mira is little unmoved by those punches as of now.
Kanina nakita natin si
Onyok Velasco.
Onyok Velasco, nandito po kasama ang kanyang anak.
Mga kaibigan, we'd like to remind you about Casino Filipino, katulong ng sambayanang Pilipino. Round number 2 ng kampyonato para sa WBC crown sa flyweight division. Defending champion Manny Pacquiao of the Philippines. Number 1 challenger Gabriel Mira in red. Medyo matangkad po ng mga 4 na pulgada siguro itong si Manny Pacquiao kay Gabriel Mira.
O partner ito si Manny Pacquiao, parang iniintay niyang pumasok ito si Gabriel Mira.
Good left.
Hindi papasok ito si Mira. He's got to move in.
Pero nakita mo yung mga sikat ni Manny Pacquiao, puro mga malalakas no?
Pero partner, without dapat ito si Manny Pacquiao, tinatamaan siya pagpasok niya. And it looks like he's a little hurt here. He got hurt. At si Manny Pacquiao ngayon is moving away and he has to clinch. He's a little careless sa kanyang depensa, partner.
Yan ang nagiging problema kay Manny Pacquiao sa kanyang pagigigil na makasakit at makapanalo. Kung minsan naiwanan niyang bukas yung kanyang depensa.
Ito, you know this is Manny Pacquiao. He's now moving away. And it's Gabriel Mira pressing the attack.
Alalahanin ko rin yung knockout artist din po ito si Gabriel Mira at uhaw na uhaw ito para sa kampyonato. And some right jabs to stave off Gabriel Mira. Now some lefts from Manny Pacquiao.
Pinapakita din ni Manny Pacquiao the ulo. Footwork.
Ang ulo. Medyo labakan ng ulo si Manny. May pabilis rin ang kamay nito si